and then watch it.
Alright, here we go. Oh no. 14, 15, 21. Yeah. Oh dear. Where's all that experience coming from? I guess you guys can't see this, can you?
Nope.
Yeah, you didn't get the banner.
War
It's
banner?
alright, record it and then
All
send
right.
it to us.
Alright. So, I've got 26 rapid mitoses, which gives any item I choose 0 cooldown. And also 429 barbed wire. The barbed wire was essentially to enable the mitosis.
Just leave the game running and farm items.
I didn't even need to do that. Like, it didn't even take long. Like, any item I choose in the game is ridiculous. Like, I will demonstrate the ridiculousness of the items. Like, here's some brains. Have some brains. All the brains. Tasty, tasty brains. Also, your ears might be in pain right now. But it is fantastic. Also, I love how the brains jump in waves. We're gonna make this a kind of challenge for the last boss, so we are going to go with Meteor.
Yep.
But I guess I want to demonstrate what all the items do. Or not all, any of the attack items. Where is... Oh, let me look for it. Oh, found it.
Did you end up getting the scepter?
No, don't need it. What would I need the scepter for? Alright, here's just an example of missiles, because missiles are fun. Also, so your ears are probably in pain again. The missiles continue for some time after I let go of the button. Kind of funny. Oh, 15... Okay, going back up. We're good. So, for the last one, I'll also demonstrate Buzzsaw, because that was cool, I thought.
Oh, is he doing a commentary?
I am.
Yep. I don't know if our voices are going to be on the recording.
Neither do I. Also, it'll sound like I'm talking to myself, if it's not.
Yep.
That's really nifty. That's cool. Alright, imaginary voices in my head. What should the item be that I use to beat the boss?
Fire.
Fire?
Light everything on fire.
Meteorite, okay. Alright.
Cold.
I am not taking the Jar of Souls because my game will end forever. Ooh, that's one I've not seen, actually. Let's see how this works. Oh my goodness! Oh no! Oh no! Don't crash! Don't crash! Too many!
When
Whoa.
you get the explodey thing, explosive relic. Jar of Souls explodes and actually, I think, damages you.
Yep. No, it damages enemies. Oh my god. I grabbed the, what's it called?
Happiest Mask.
No. It's the call-in, the radio. That summons drones.
Oh.
I held that for a bit,
Nice.
and my game is stuck on, it was stuck on 10 frames per second for a while. Alright, now I've got the meteor. And
So do like
We're going to let this fight speak
Before
for
you
itself. Oh, before?
before you activate.
Mhm.
Oh, before you activate, just like pile up a whole ton of mines.
I could do that. I could do that. Let's go find.
Nah, that'll lessen the effect of the.
I don't even know if I'm
Yeah.
gonna be able to kill him with the meteor. Like, I don't know how powerful my. It's doing 20k per tick. Barbed wire is.
For sure you're. Yeah, what about kill it?
All right, here we go. Whee! 3, 2, 1, bye.
Did you try out Shattered Mirror?
Oh, we're on the worms. I don't know how that happened. Okay, keep running. Just keep running. Just keep running. Run from yourself. Okay, the worms are dead. Round 2. Fight. Oh, it looks like we've got an invader. Oh, and Providence is dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Run! Hit the button! Hit the button while you still can. Oh, wrong button. That summons more meteors. Hit the button! Hit the button! Hit the... Okay, there we go.